Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that support around 111,000 could hold and push higher. But before that move continued, the market revisited another key zone, the long-tested yellow horizontal area near 109,300. Price reacted strongly there and bounced back up. Right now, Bitcoin is hovering near 111,500. Movements are choppy again, almost quiet by Bitcoin's usual standards. Still, something is building under the surface, and the pressure on sellers seems to be fading gradually. On the 1 to 4 hour time frame, momentum is tilting upward. The daily chart shows a similar setup. The wave trend indicator is leaning higher. The RSI is climbing from the low 30s toward the 40s, and the MACD has just crossed above its signal line. These conditions generally point toward continued strength. On the monthly view, a red dot still signals potential consolidation, but if September plays out stronger after a weak August, that could shift quickly. The next key level is 112,000, which must hold for a lasting push. Beyond that, a liquidity cluster stretches up toward 115,700. Looking at the heat maps, there was clear activity over the last 12 hours, with buyers stepping in around 108,800 and leaving a visible pocket of interest. On the 3-day view, the next important zone sits just above price at 112,900, potentially opening the path toward 115,400. ETF flows add another layer to the picture. Yesterday's dip brought an outflow of roughly $222.9 million, the largest since August 20th. Interestingly, IBIT showed inflows of about $134.8 million during that same dip, while Fidelity and ARK recorded outflows of about $117.4 million and $125.5 million each. These moves followed combined inflows of over $300 million on September 2nd and 3rd, showing that institutional activity remains strong, even as short-term flows fluctuate. Meanwhile, an entirely different drama unfolded around WLFI. The project banned a wallet tied to Justin Sun, often called the crypto wonder kid, known as the creator of Tron and owner of the Huobi exchange. His wallet reportedly contained 50 million WLFI presale tokens, and the project accused him of wrongfully dumping them and creating artificial sell pressure. Allegations also surfaced that customer tokens, some staked on the HTX exchange, were used in the process. Sun responded in a statement on X, stressing the value of decentralized finance, the peer-to-peer principle, and the idea that everyone should be treated equally. One user summed up the chaos with a sharp comment saying, "Debanked from the platform that was supposed to solve debanking." It's a reminder of just how messy things can get in this space. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Tap the like button if you found value in this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.